How to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone vibrate even when it's in silent mode. This quick fix will help. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, scroll down a bit and go to the Accessibility settings. Once inside the Accessibility settings, tap on Touch. Ensure that vibration is turned on. This setting allows your iPhone to vibrate for calls, texts, and alerts, even when silent. Now go back to Settings, scroll through the setting list and find Sound and Haptics option. Tap to open. Tap on Haptics. Make sure you are choosing to play in silent mode. If not, choose it. Go back to Settings again. Now open Notification settings. Once you're in, scroll through the list and select Phone Notification. Then click on Sounds. Go to Haptics. Here you can create a new haptic or choose from the default ones. To test it, switch your iPhone to silent mode using the side button and call your phone. If it still doesn't vibrate, restart your iPhone and check again. And that's it. Now your iPhone will vibrate even when in silent mode. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.